let's go. Can you flip it? Hey. No lag. Can you flip it? La takatego. Let me brush the hand. Let's go. You can flip, my sister, whenever you're ready. Let's go! The second person can come and flip. Let's go. Let's see who's going to be the first one to flip. Now today we are flipping with a juice bottle. Hey, today we are flipping with a juice bottle. Let's go. Who's going to be the first to eat? Who's going to be the first to masticate? Hey. Let's go. We have our first competitor who's going to eat. Now let's see who else is going to eat, ladies and gentlemen. Are you going to be the one to get one bite and eat, or are you going to be the master digester? Let's see. Girl is sitting down for the food. Girl wants to digest. Girl wants to eat. Let's go. We have our first winner to go to the second round. Let's go. Flip the bottle and eat. Let's go. The second person is here, ladies and gentlemen. Leave the food. Let's go. If you can flip the bottle, you are eating. Simple as that. We have two people. We have the third person, ladies and gentlemen, who is going to spot as I am for him. So let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Can you flip it? That is the $1 million question. Take your time. Let's go. Can you flip it? Let's go. Put the foot down and eat. One bite and out. Sorry. Let's go. How many left? Let's go. We have one person to flip. Ladies and gentlemen. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 6 competitors who are going to the next round. If you know you didn't eat, I'm sorry. Next time. Well done, girls. Well done. That was the first round, ladies and gentlemen, of Can You Flip It. Now we're going on the second round. That's only now. We're on the feet. Stop. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going on the second round of Can You Flip It. Right now we only have the 4 people to go to the third round. This is the second round of Can You Flip It, ladies and gentlemen. 8 Almeida House. Sorry again, let us see the second girl. Girls only. Today we have only girls who are going to flip. Let's go, girls. Yes! We have one person who has managed to flip. Let's go. Almost. Eat, girl. Come follow me. Let's go. We have one person so far. We want to see. Put the foot down, put the roots down, put the foot down. One bite and you're out, always. We have the third person, ladies and gentlemen. We have the fourth person, ladies and gentlemen. We are going hard. Let's go. We want 4 people to go to the next round. Ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. The last person to flip, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Flip the bottle and eat. Flip the bottle and eat. Yes! 10, 9, 8, stop. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the second round. And we are going to the third round. I think I made a mistake. How many is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you all eat, so it's my mistake. You want 8 and you wanted 4. Oh. So what you can do is that you can bring that out. You will see. Please agree to count because the people are going fast. Agree to count because the people are going fast. Yeah. Guys, we want 4 people. The first 4 people to eat. And I know what via the next round. So 1 4. Cannot push out room gela 10-9 what. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we are flipping and we want 4 people to go to the next round. Let's go. It's only girls here. Let's go. Can you flip it? Hey. No lag. Can you flip it? Let me branch the hand. Let's go. We want 4 people to go to the next round, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, let's go again. 8, 1. The first person, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. 2. Put down. We have 2 people now. Ladies and gentlemen, we want 4 people to go to the next. 3. The final person to eat. The final person to eat. Don't cry, girl. Don't worry, you'll eat. Don't cry, you'll eat. Don't worry. Fill the bottle and eat. The last person. Oh shit. Let's go. We have 3 people. We only want 1 person. Let's go. We want the last person to go to the final round. We want the last person. Who is it between? Let's go. The food is finishing. Flip the bottle and eat. Flip the bottle and eat. People don't want to eat. When I say tired. Oh, let's go. We want another person. Let's go, guys. Yes. This is the last one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put the foot down. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the second round of Can You Flip It? Now we are left with 4 people and we are going to another round. Hey, the chicken is still here. The wings are finished. Hey, the buns are still full. People don't eat buns here. The buns are still here. The juice is here. Hey, I see the breast here. I see the thighs. I see here. Okay, let's go. Now we want 2 people to go to the final round. 2 people to go to the final round, ladies and gentlemen. So pray. Make sure you eat. People are hungry. Let's go. Flip. Ladies and gentlemen, now we want only 2 people to go to the final round of Can You Flip It? Let's go. Only 2 people. Let's go, Ken. Hey, we have the first person, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see who's going to be the second person to flip and eat. Ladies and gentlemen, we want the second person to go to the final round to eat at the final stage of Can You Flip It? That's the $1 million question, ladies and gentlemen. The question is, can you flip it? Alright, let's go. Flip girl. The move chance let's go. Let's go. Flip. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put the foot down. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the 2 finalists who will be going to the Can You Flip It finals. Let's go. So now we are going to do the coin flip to see who's going to flip first. The person who can flip first is going on the final round. Let me look for a coin. The final round. One more time. Choose. I flip it. Yeah. No, you can say it however you want to. That is 2000. Be the first one. She doesn't go to okay. If she manages to flip the bottle, she's the winner. Simple. And she gets something and she goes to the final round of the Can You Flip It Championship. Flip. Ladies and gentlemen, we only want one person now. If she manages to flip, it's over. She doesn't want the title of Can You Flip It. We are counting 10 seconds. The minute the bottle comes down, we are counting. 10 seconds to eat. Let's go. Flip. Aye. Almost. Let's go. Aye. Let's go. Flip the bottle. 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 Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put the foot down. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the winner of Can You Flip It. Let's go. A round of applause for yourselves. A round of applause for AM Media House. A round of applause for everyone. You can call your friend if you. Wait. Oh, your friends.
You're my friends.
Your friends.
And my friends.
Oh, I want a bush. Get your friends will be just chow. Get your friends will be just chow. Congratulations to the winner of 10. You Flip It. Now we are going on the second stage. Those who have the ticket, and all the people who have the tickets, we are going for the second round now. Let's go. Prepare yourselves as the food is getting prepared. Let's go.